Hello again, I'm Dean from Dean's N-Scale Trains. Today I'm working on my Santa Fe Northern Railroad, and after a long series of videos on using servos for powering my turnouts or switches, I'm back to working on my scenery. Today I'll be sharing ways to enhance the appearance of your trees and clump foliage for model landscapes. While I often use woodland scenic products, which are quite good, there's always room for improvement. In this session, I'll offer several tips and tricks for creating trees and foliage that look even more realistic and natural, so stay tuned.
I used a masonite board, approximately 5 by 17 inches, and then I wrapped it with saran wrap.
So I have several bags of leftover clump foliage. This is light green. Medium green, and you guessed it, dark green. I'm going to start by putting down some dots of Elmer's glue.
This and several other subsequent clips, I've speeded everything up by a factor of 8.
Hardest part of this project is waiting for everything to set up. These all seem to be tied down, fastened down pretty nicely. So I'm going to take some isopropyl alcohol and dust them to break the surface tension, and then come in with scenic cement. This is scenic cement, 1 part Elmer's, 1 part water. I have treated these twice with scenic cement, and it's time for the final treatment. Again, spray it liberally with isopropyl alcohol, and we'll give it another squirt. Okay, now we will dust them with, starting with fine turf, yellow grass. Oops. And a little bit of fine turf earth. I want to control this a little better, so I'm going to use this sifter. Fine turf, green grass.
In my first try at this, I used a plain board. This was a big mistake as it was hard to remove the final pieces.
So let's see what we've got.
If there's a flat base of dried glue, trim that off.
Here's a few more examples. As you can see, they're quite sturdy and hard.
The final pieces of clump foliage were glued down with Elmer's, and after that had all dried, everything was saturated with a dilute Elmer's scenic cement. Here are a few photos of the final results after everything is dried up.
So that's it for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.